It's time to make some s'mores, people. Those gooey, delicious marshmallows and chocolate on graham crackers, but we are cutting the calories and you can actually make it at home in the microwave. No campfire needed. It's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John and I've lost over 130 pounds naturally by changing my habits, and recipes like the one I'm sharing today have helped me to keep it off. I don't even think I need to explain what s'mores are, right? They're so simple, just 3 ingredients: graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallow. I guess I did explain it. That's all they are. They're so easy to make, and these ones are lower in calories because I'm using 0 sugar chocolate and 0 sugar marshmallows, and you can make them extremely quickly. So if you want a fast, easy, delicious dessert, let's get cooking. You know, I've got to be perfectly honest. This one is so easy to make and it's so quick. It literally takes seconds. I kind of feel stupid making an entire instructional video on how to make these s'mores, but at the same time, this is my channel, this is my kitchen, and I want to make s'mores. So let's make some s'mores. Start off with some honey grahams. Actually, you're just going to use one. Take 1 graham cracker. Take it out of the pack and carefully snap it in half along the perforation. Now, place 1/2 of your graham cracker on a plate and add 2 pieces of Hershey's 0 sugar chocolate. Now, I've got the graham cracker placed lengthwise like this, so I'm going to place these going the other direction against the grain because I feel like they just fit on the graham cracker best going that direction. Now I'm going to use a second plate, and you'll see why in a moment. Place the other half of the graham cracker on here the same way, and we'll add our marshmallow. Now I'm going with Max Mallow brand because the entire bag is only 90 calories. That means one of these jumbo marshmallows is less than 8 calories per marshmallow.
That's amazing. I've never seen anything like that.
So I'm going to place that right there in the center of the other graham cracker. Now this is just a quick PSA for any dog owners out there. Now most people are aware that dogs cannot eat chocolate, but not everyone knows xylitol is also extremely toxic to dogs. These marshmallows are made with xylitol, so whatever you do, do not let your dog have that or that. Just keep these things away from your dog. So just so you know, don't ever let a dog have xylitol. All right, so I've got a fairly high-powered microwave, so I'm gonna put the side with the chocolate in for just about 6 seconds. I just want it to slightly soften, so 6 seconds, barely any time at all. 3, 2, 1, done. All right. That side's ready, and now we'll put in the side with the marshmallow for maybe 8 seconds, maybe 9, just enough for it to puff up and soften. It's gonna expand, but you don't want it to melt totally, so just keep an eye on it. So I'm gonna hit 8 seconds. I think that should be enough. I'm watching. It's already starting to expand. 3, 2, 1, yeah. 8 seconds was plenty. And as you can see, it has already melted and puffed quite a bit. I'm gonna actually just let this sit here just for a few seconds before I put it together because I don't want it to just completely melt and ooze everywhere. S'mores can be super messy. Okay, so now that it's sat for a few seconds, I'm going to pick it up, flip it over, and place it on the chocolate. And, that's it. Ta-da! S'mores. That easy. And here it is, everyone, this super simple, low sugar, low calorie s'more. Well, nothing else to do, nothing else to say.
Nothing up my sleeve.
Let's take a bite and give it a shot. Here we go. That's good. Chocolate, marshmallow, graham cracker, that's all you need. Good things don't always have to be complicated. Sometimes the best things in life are simple. Just tastes like regular s'mores to me. I really like it. I love the chocolate and marshmallow and graham cracker combination. You put them together.
Delicious.
Okay, so to compare, regular s'mores made with regular Hershey's chocolate and jet puffed marshmallows. You've got 205 calories. This is for one. 31 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fat, 2 grams of protein. Not a lot of protein. 205 calories isn't insane, but for that tiny little thing, I think it's up there just a little bit. For the one we just made, 138 calories, that's a big difference. 24 grams of carbs, so slightly fewer carbs, 6 grams of fat, slightly less fat, 1 gram of protein. So a little less protein as well, but come on, 2 grams is like nothing anyway as far as a snack. It's not a protein snack, it's just a treat. So if you want a treat and you want to cut down on the sugar and cut down on the calories, go with that. That'll leave a little more room in your day for other foods, or have 2 of them. You have the option now. That's the nice thing about this. And as far as I'm concerned, they taste just as good. It's been a while since I've had regular sugar, but to be honest, I've eaten the sugar-free candies so much lately that when I have the regulars, they're too sweet. Regular soda, they're good, but I can't eat a lot of them. They're overwhelmingly sweet. This, I think, is a perfect balance. So anyway, I thoroughly enjoyed that, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the Cog Is Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. And if you have any suggestions for recipes you might like to see in the future, leave them in the comments and let me know, because I would love to hear from you and what you're interested in seeing. Thank you all so much, and until next time, keep on eating. I already ate.
Delicious.